you guys don't know, I have channel memberships now, and by buying one, you can get exclusive perks from my channel. If you buy the $2 level, you'll get early access to videos and polls, as well as getting access to exclusive emojis and channel badges. And for the $5 level, you'll get access to not only the stuff from the $2 level, but also access to member-exclusive polls, videos, and you'll even get a shout-out by me. But I'll shout out my members regardless, no matter the tier. Don't worry about the $10 tier, though. I don't expect you guys to get that one. But you'll get access to member-only live streams and live chats, as well as gameplay with me. So if you want to join the membership, click the link in the description. Hello everyone, it's me Bobby from WatBox Studios, and we're back with another Violet First reaction. If you guys haven't saw, I made another poll asking which single reaction you guys would like to see, and William and Bill Fight for the Shower won in a landslide by 59% as of now. Though I was kind of hoping for the peanut butter and jelly sandwich freakout video to win, because I personally hate that video and I would love to react to it. But you guys asked, and now you shall receive. Today, we are going to be reacting to William and Bill Fight for the Shower. So without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Bathroom in front of me. He knew I had to take a bathroom before I had to go take a shower before I went to work. What the frick's his problem?
Bill, what's the problem, Bill?
He knew I had to take a shower first before I went to work.
So he had to use the bathroom first?
No, I gotta use it.
Alright, so we start the video off. Bill is complaining how William jumped in front of him to use the shower. And, yeah, I kind of understand his frustration if you have to take a shower and someone jumped in front of you. But at that point, you just have to wait. Like, you stop complaining and just wait for William to be done before you take your shower, Bill. It's not a big deal.
Wait a minute.
Hurry up.
Bill,
I gotta go to work.
Bill, he's just using the bathroom?
No, he's taking a freaking shower.
Okay, well, he probably didn't realize that you were getting ready to take
He
one.
knew I had to go. He knew I was going to take a shower.
How do you know he
jumps
knew?
in front of me.
He jumped in front. Okay.
I mean, of course William jumped in front of you. He's a bad kid. He's gonna do bad stuff all the time. So of course he jumped in front of you. But again, Bill, you just have to wait, dude.
Well, he won't be long. Just sit down and relax.
William, hurry up. I gotta get in there. I gotta go to work, dingbat.
He's not going to hear you. Come on, just sit down. He didn't do it on purpose.
I wouldn't be so sure about that, Violet. William does things on purpose all the time.
Bill,
Yeah,
listen.
I told him I gotta go to work.
Bill, just go to work. You can skip at least one shower and take one after you're done work. Like, you don't need a shower just to go to work. That's not a main requirement. Are you gonna smell? Maybe. But just, like, take some, like, deodorant or something. You don't need a shower. You don't even look like you're dirty, so what's the point of a shower?
Okay, can you just let him take a...
You knew I had to get in there. Why did you jump in front of me?
Bill, he can't hear you. There's water running in there.
Yeah, Bill, he can't hear you. Either go closer to the door, or just leave it alone.
Stop it. Bill, just sit down.
I can't handle this kid anymore. I swear. Anytime he knows I'm going to do something, he jumps right in front of me.
Okay, so let me put this in perspective. Anytime you do something, you know William's gonna jump in front of you. So if McDonald's had one last Big Mac, one more Big Mac in the entire store, and William jumped in front of you to get it, you would be angry. You're like, give me that Big Mac, you freaking dingbat! Like, is that like an example? A clear example? I don't think William does that.
Bill, I don't think he realized you had that you had a time limit. I think he was just trying to take a shower. Relax.
Honestly, to be honest, William kind of needs a shower more than Bill, because he's a gamer, he's always up in his room, he probably smells. So, I think Bill should just let William take the shower, get that stink off of him, and then Bill can take a shower.
William, come on, hurry up. I gotta get in there.
Okay.
What the heck am I going to do? I gotta go to work.
Either use deodorant, or spray your whole entire body with a bottle of cologne, Bill. You can skip one shower.
I don't think he'll be that long. Will you just relax? He's not going to be
How
that
can I
long.
relax with that?
Correct saying, wrong timing.
Look, there's nothing you can do. He's already in there. You can't stop. He's already in the shower.
Yeah, I kind of agree with Violet. You can't kick William out of the shower, like, when he's in mid-shower. At that point, you should just wait.
Bill, he's already in there. Just come on out here.
Tell him not to go in there before I had to go in there.
You were right there. Why? You said you told him. Now, come on. Just sit down. Sit down.
No.
Sit down.
William.
Bill, he's in there. He can't hear you.
Come on. I got to get in there.
Bill, you just need to calm down. He's not going to take that long.
Come on, stop. Go sit down.
Freaking jerk.
Sit down.
You knew I had to get in there.
Don't worry about it, okay?
No.
William, your dad needs to take a shower for work. Can you try to hurry up, hon?
Why is Violet trying to talk to William from the same exact spot Bill was trying to talk to him from? Like, you know William can't hear you from there, so why are you doing that same exact way? Why not just go closer to the door so he can hear you? What are you doing, Violet?
I told him. Now go sit down.
Come on, William.
Bill, just relax.
No, I can't. You know I got to go to work.
Then go to work.
Sit down. Just sit down. Don't worry about it, okay?
God.
Just sit down, all right? There's nothing we can do.
Yes, it is. Get him out of there. I got to get in there.
William, hurry up! There's nothing we can do but ask him to wait, okay?
I love how Bill's like, get him out of there. And Violet's like, William, hurry up! And then she's like, there's nothing we can do. That's just so funny to think about.
I mean, to ask him to hurry up.
I haven't had a bath for a couple days. I got to get in there to take a shower
My
before I go.
gosh.
Oh god, a few days? Imagine the smell.
William, your dad needs to take a shower. Can you hurry up, hon? Okay, I told him again.
Well, he sure as hell looked like he didn't hear you, so maybe go closer to the door so he can actually hear you.
Now, can you please just let it go until he comes
Listen.
out?
If he don't come out real soon, I'm going to take care of this problem.
That's not a good sign.
What do you mean you're going to take care of it?
You'll find out. You better go tell him.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
It is pretty ridiculous, Violet. Bill should just wait his turn.
William, your dad says he's going to take care of this problem. He told me to tell you if you don't hurry up. Whatever that means.
Violet, why are you just walking back into the room? Don't you want to make sure he heard you? Maybe go closer to the door so he can actually hear you. Why are you just standing over there? He didn't hear you from there. What are you doing, Violet?
I don't know what that means, but... Alright, I told him. Now can you chill out?
No, I can't because I got to get in there. I told you.
Okay, I told him. There's nothing you can do until he comes out, so please, just sit down and relax and... Come on.
No.
Yeah, I agree with Violet. Bill really needs to calm down and just wait his turn.
I'm
Bill,
not.
calm
I'm
down.
gonna take care of this problem.
What do you mean you're going to take care of it?
You'll see.
No, where are you going? What do you
You'll
mean?
see.
What are you going to do?
You'll see.
Oh no, when Bill says you see, you know it's gonna be awful.
What are you doing, Bill?
You'll see.
What are you doing? Oh, no.
Yes.
No, Bill.
Yes.
No, that's mean.
I don't care.
Don't do that, Bill.
Yes.
Don't do that. Oh, my gosh, you didn't.
From what I can tell what Bill did, he looks like he went to the breaker and turned off something. I'm gonna assume it was the water. He turned off the water on William because he couldn't take his shower first. And Violet's like, oh my gosh, you didn't! He sure as fact did, Violet.
Oh, yes,
That
I
was
did.
so mean. Oh, my gosh. I hear him scream, William!
What happened?
What's wrong?
The water cut off.
It did?
Why is Violet acting so dumbfounded by the fact the water got turned off? She saw Bill turn off the water on the breaker switch. Why is she acting all dumbfounded? Like, what is going on here?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. Are you done your shower? Can you just come out?
No, I have soap on me.
Okay, I want to talk about two things. One, Violet's like, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Like, that's just ridiculous, bro. Like, she saw Bill turn off the water, and she's acting all dumbfounded. And why is she telling William to get out of the shower, asking him to come out? He's got soap on him. That's just ridiculous.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what happened.
Oh my god. This is like the third time in a row where she's being dumbfounded. She's like, I don't know what happened. Yes, you do. Like, Violet is such an anti-snitch. Like, she is, like, so, like, offended by guns and stuff, but she's such an anti-snitch. Like, she doesn't snitch on anyone. Like, why is she, like, being all defensive and, like, defending Bill? Like, that's just so weird.
I don't.
William, I told you you have to come out here. I had to go to work, dingbat. Come on.
He said the water cut off. Do you know what happened?
Yeah, I turned the water off.
See, that's the difference between Violet and Bill. Violet is not a snitch. She's being all dumbfounded and being like, oh, I don't know what happened, honey. Can you just come out? And Bill is like, I turned the water off, you freaking dingbat. Like, that's like the difference. Bill is not a snitch. Like, he tells the truth. He doesn't, like, avoid it. He tells the straight truth. Like, even if he lies sometimes, we all know that Bill is a better person that doesn't tell lies than Violet.
Why?
Because I told you I had to get in there.
Back on.
What? No, you.
No, William, I'll turn it back on.
No, you won't.
Yes, I am.
No, you
I'll
won't.
turn it back
No, you
on.
won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
Wait, hang on a second. When Bill originally turned off the water, why didn't Violet just wait for him to leave so he could turn it back on? Why did she just go straight to William? That seems highly suspicious. Like, she's trying to create the rage and just allowing Bill to do what he wants. I'm starting to think this video is fake on the parents' end because, like, Violet just telling William to do stuff without making sure he heard her, then going up to William to making sure he's okay when she could have just turned the water back on, and Bill being incredibly patient. I think this video is fake on the parents' end. I just think 100% it is.
Let me through.
No.
Let me through.
No.
Let me through.
No.
Let me through.
He can go outside and turn it on. No.
No. What do you mean go outside? You can't go outside and turn it on.
Oh, yes, he can. Watch.
No.
Really, Bill? You're gonna make your son go outside? He's probably wet. He probably doesn't have clothes. Like, you're gonna really make him go outside just to turn off the alleged breaker outside? I think you just want him outside to get into the shower. Like, that's bullcrap, Bill.
Stop. No.
No. Let me through.
No.
Let me through.
No, I'm not letting you through.
Let me through.
No, he screwed me. He's getting screwed. No.
Let me through.
No.
Come
No.
on, Bill.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No one's
No.
gonna get their shower
Well,
set on
he's gonna
time.
pay too. If I'm gonna be late for work, he's gonna pay.
Bill, you don't have to be late for work. Just spray some cologne on and go to work. Like, you don't have to punish William just because you're gonna be late for work because you didn't get a shower first. Like, stop trying to punish William for things. Like, what the fuck?
Bill, stop! You're
And I'm
making
taking a
yourself.
shower before him.
Bill, he has soap all over him. This is ridiculous.
That's his fault.
Oh, it's his fault for wanting to clean his body, Bill? Like, what's wrong with you? Like, turn the water back on so he can at least rinse off, and then he'll get out, and then you can take your shower.
Bill,
He knew
you
better.
can't
He
get
knew
out of
I had
the
to
shower.
get in
He
there. I
has
had to
soap
leave.
all over him. Turn on the water.
No, I'm not.
Turn it on.
No.
Turn it on.
No.
Turn it on.
No.
Turn on the
I'm
water.
not turning on the water. No.
Turn it on.
No.
Turn
No.
on the water
No.
now, Bill. William, I'm trying.
No, you aren't. You're just walking into him and slightly pushing him, saying, let me through! Turn on the water! You're not even trying, Violet. You're just, like, slightly pushing him. You're not trying to turn on the water.
Turn on the
No.
water.
No.
Turn it on.
No. No.
You are being such a
Oh,
jerk.
well.
You're the friggin' jerk.
Indeed.
Yeah, we'll
Letting
see.
him sit there with soap and not turn on the water. You're the frickin' jerk. I can't believe how you're doing.
What?
Oh my
Turn
gosh.
back on the water. No, you go turn it on.
Well, here's William. His hair is wet, and he's in a towel because Bill turned off the water and is refusing to turn it back on. This video kind of proves that this video is real on his end because he looks like he was actually trying to take a shower, and Violet and Bill are like acting and like messing with him.
Bill, no!
Out by the
William,
power box, go turn it on. I'm not
No,
going
Bill,
out there.
stop that! Bill,
No,
stop!
no.
William, Bill, turn it on!
No, I'm not.
Turn it on.
Turn it on.
Turn it on.
Bill,
I knew
turn
I
on
had
the
to get-
water.
I don't care. You knew I had to get in the shower?
Bill, turn on the water! Now!
No, he
You're so mean!
You turn it on. You turn it on. No.
William definitely needed another exorcism after that. Like, he is clearly angry. Like, Bill needs to turn on that water.
You turn it on.
Turn on the water! Now!
It's out next to the power box. Turn it on.
That's clearly a lie.
Don't say him that he's...
I am not doing it.
Turn it on.
No. You better stop hitting me.
Turn it on.
You hit, you hit me like that, you freaking jerk.
Yeah, good on you, William. Teach the war elephant a lesson.
Bill, it's just a piece of cardboard. Stop!
power box.
Stop. No! Don't tell him that! William, don't go out there.
Yes.
Don't go out there.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, no, wait.
No.
Shoot,
No.
no. He really said... William!
Where is
No, your dad lied. It's not outside.
Hang on. Why did Violet follow him outside? Like, obviously, she has to call him back in. Like, she could have just opened the door, stood in, like, the doorway, and just said, William, come back inside. It's not outside. But instead, she just went fully outside and made sure to shut the door. So then something very suspicious can happen. Good on you, Violet. You are being fake.
No!
this freaking box?
No! That's not for the water. Your dad said that to get you... William, your dad's lying. It's in that bedroom.
Then what's this box here?
That is not for the water, William. You're going to freeze out here. It's like 30 degrees. Get over here.
You could have told him that before he went outside, Violet.
You're just saying that to get me back in.
William, I don't want you cold. Your dad lied.
Oh, I gotta get this back on.
No, that's not how you turn it on. William, that's not how you turn it on. He
How do I
lied.
turn it on?
He, in the other room, where the power box is, the one we use for the whole house electricity, there's a switch for the water. That's how we do it. We got to get to that switch somehow.
What do you mean somehow? Just go in that bedroom. Bill's probably not messing with it anymore.
Okay, now come with me and I'll get us past him somehow, okay? All right. Oh my gosh. He's locked us out.
See, Violet? That's why you don't follow William outside. You just stand in the doorway and call him back inside. You don't go outside. And you don't shut the door.
Bill!
Listen!
Bill!
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Bill! Come on!
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Bill!
Dad, it's so cold out here.
Bill! Let us
Let
in!
me in.
No.
Bill! Oh my gosh, William, I am so cold right now.
You think you're cold?
Yeah, Violet has no right to talk. William is literally, like, in a towel. He doesn't have anything else on except for that towel. He's extremely cold, Violet. Like, you at least have clothes on. He doesn't.
I know you're cold too, but I can't take this cold.
William can't stand it either, Violet. He's in a fucking bath towel.
Bill!
No. I'm getting my shower first.
Oh yeah, also, I just realized this. If Bill's main motive was to lock Violet and William out to take a shower, why is he in the shower yet? He's just standing by the door saying, No, I'm getting my shower first. He should be in the shower. Like, he locked his family out of the house in the cold. He has to go take a shower. But he's not taking advantage of it. And this was the same guy who made it so urgent that he needed a shower. And he's not even getting a shower.
Bill!
No.
Let us in now!
No.
You... Let us in!
No.
Let us in!
No way.
Why not just go in through the back door? That would be so much easier.
Let us
Bill!
in.
Let us in now!
You're freeze to death.
Oh my gosh! What is wrong with you?
Yeah, what the fuck, Bill? That's your family right there. And you're telling them to freeze to death? What is wrong with you? I usually like Bill in these videos, but I cannot support him in this one. He's being an asshole.
Bill, come on!
No.
Let us in!
No.
It's so freaking cold.
Bill, you
out here.
gotta
Let us
stop
in.
No.
Bill, let us in now!
No. I'm not letting you in.
Oh my gosh, William, don't do that.
William knocking on the door like he's the cops.
Let us in.
No.
Bill, come on! Let us in! Bill,
No.
if you don't let us in, I'm gonna call the police.
Are you sure the police are gonna want to deal with you again, Violet? That's the question.
What?
I'm gonna call the police if you don't let us in.
Better freaking not.
Damn, why is Bill so afraid of the cops? Is he afraid the cops are gonna find out about his, little comeuppance in the greatest Xbox One S destruction video? Or is he afraid of that?
I'm gonna call. Here I go. I'm gonna count to 3, and then I'm gonna call. 1, 2, 3.
Go. Let us in.
I'm calling. Get over,
Jerk.
Well, that's one way to get into the house. Just threaten to call the cops.
move away.
Knew I had to use
No,
the shower
turn on the
thing
water
back.
for real. Go turn on.
Go
Go
on.
No, go, you go on.
So turn it
Turn it on, Bill.
Freaking cold.
Turn the water on for him.
What's that? You knew I had to take a shower thing
Bill,
back.
now nobody's getting their shower done.
And I'm taking the shower next,
Bill.
not you.
You need to turn on that water. Bill, you gonna go turn it on?
Turn it on.
You have to,
I'm gonna turn it on for me, not for you.
Great. More confirmation that this video is fake. Bill literally locked his family outside the house, and he didn't even think to turn on the water. What a waste of time.
Bill, can you turn it on and let him rinse off?
No.
Bill,
It's
please.
my turn.
No, Bill, he needs to rinse off his soap and stuff.
No.
It's only
I'm
going to
in
take him
there
a minute.
next. He's got to stay out here.
No,
He knew I had to use the
Bill, he
bathroom.
needs to get the shampoo.
No.
You only need.
No.
Yeah, Bill, just let him rinse off his hair and his body, so then you can take your shower. Like, why are you being so pitiful and stubborn about this? Just let him rinse off.
Bill,
Let me go
stop it now.
No.
Turn on the water now.
No.
Bill, stop it.
I am not.
You know what? You don't turn that water on.
What are you going to do?
When you go to work tonight and you come home, the locks are going to be changed.
Oh, really?
And you're not going to be allowed to come back in here.
Right.
I think Violet is just, like, exaggerating, because I don't think Violet would have enough time to get a locksmith during the time it takes for Bill to go to work and come back. It's just, like, doesn't really make sense. I think he's just threatening it, and Bill's like, yeah, right. He is not scared of Violet, and that's just funny to me.
All that money I
Try me!
We had to buy a new TV
Try me!
to replace the freaking TV.
He saved $15 towards it.
Jerk.
$15 towards the new TV. William really put a down payment of $15 to pay for the new TV. That's not a good idea, Violet. You should have made him pay at least a little bit more. But then, yet again, this is December, so she would try to make him wrap presents. This is kind of why I was hoping this video lost, because I would have saved this video for December, because it was released in December. But, it doesn't matter now. But $15 to replace the TV, that's kind of horrible. And $15 towards the TV, not just $15 on the TV, towards. William, like, why did Violet make him put $15 towards the TV? He should have done more.
I'm going to turn it.
Oh, $15. I guess that's going to buy a new TV.
And guess what? I'm also going to file for a divorce.
Go ahead.
Oh my god, this video predicted the future. Violet and Bill actually did get a divorce. Like, there were some divorce documents and some court documents found by some Violet First fans in the Violet First Fanatic Discord server. It was pretty crazy stuff. And Bill's like, go ahead. He probably wants to go off and marry a Big Mac. Go ahead, file for the divorce. I'll marry a Big Mac instead of you. A Big Mac will treat me way better than you have.
I'm going to file for a
Good.
divorce if you don't turn it on now.
Glad. No. I'm
Turn
not.
it on. Turn it on now or else.
Freaking jerk.
Turn it on. You're the freaking jerk.
And I agree with that statement.
Go, run in there before he tries to get in there.
Smart move, Violet. Sneak him back into the bathroom when Bill is distracted.
You idiot! How dare you! Turn it on! William, lock your...
I hate you, Dad!
I understand why William thinks Bill hates him. He calls him a jerk all the time. He's always rude. And also, he's spoiled because of Violet, so he's gonna think Bill is a bad parent, when in reality, it's actually Violet.
Lock that door so he can't get in. You jerk! Get out here!
I'm not the jerk. He's the jerk.
That was really rude of you!
No.
You are such a jerk!
No, I'm not.
Oh my gosh, I don't even want to talk to you right now. I'm so sick of this
He's
crap.
the jerk.
No, bye.
He knew I had to go to...
Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Don't even
No.
talk to me.
Alright guys, that was the end of that video. It was crazy. Bill was being an asshole. He locked William out of the house, like, turned off the water because he didn't get to go in the shower. Violet was also kind of being bad. She was like being suspicious. I think the video is fake on the parents' ends because, like, Violet is not making sure that William hears her. She follows William outside when he thinks the breaker box is outside. And Bill is being rude as well. The video was pretty funny. And, yeah, that's it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more reactions. And, hope you can't wait to do my Cinco de Mayo reaction and my Mother's Day reaction in the next 2 weeks. So, anyway, I'm WatBox Studios, and it's been a good time. Peace out.